As APIs grow in scale and complexity, exploring endpoints, testing requests, and understanding integrations should feel effortless. That's why we've completely reimagined the API documentation experience in Document 360. API documentation has been completely redesigned to deliver a faster and more intuitive developer experience. The new three-pane layout makes it easier to navigate endpoint documentation while keeping requests, responses, and reference details visible in a structured interface. The new Try It console gives developers complete control over request parameters, headers, and request bodies, with live responses displayed directly on the page. As requests are built, payloads are automatically validated against the API schema. Reusable session-level variables allow commonly used values, such as authentication tokens and IDs, to be saved once and reused across multiple endpoints, reducing repetitive setup during testing. Eddy AI is also integrated into the experience, enabling developers to ask questions and better understand endpoints without leaving the API reference. The enhanced global find and replace now goes far beyond article content. Search and replace text across variables, snippets, glossary definitions, article titles, hyperlink text, and even destination URLs, all from a single interface. Apply workspace and category filters to target only the content you want to update, making large-scale documentation changes faster, safer, and far more efficient. PDF exports now give you complete control over how your documents are organized. Reorder sections such as the table of contents, terms and conditions, content and version history to match the way your readers consume documentation. The cover page and end page remain fixed to maintain a consistent and professional document structure, while everything in between can be arranged to fit your needs. Knowledge base articles now include powerful AI actions directly within the More Options menu. Copy an entire article as Markdown, open it as plain text in a new tab, or launch it directly in ChatGPT or Claude with a single click.